Alright, hello, welcome back to the shop. I think what we'll do today is we'll look at, I got this old Ridgid Spud Wrench. Some people call these monkey wrenches. And I think what I want to do is try and clean it up. And looks like somebody bombed it with red paint at some point. It's a little banged up and roughed here and there. Here I did a test clean patch on it. Looks like it'll clean up pretty good. And I think I just want to give it a good clean it up. Make it look nice again. So I'll try and show some steps along the way, and we'll see how it gets. Stay tuned. Alright, so there we go. Just a quick little video on fixing up this tool. It was a fun little project. A little cleanup and paint. Really just hit it with a wire wheel. Did a little scotch padding on here and whatnot to clean up some of the pitting and whatever was on there. But there you have it. Nice and cleaned up. It's a nice shape now. It's gonna get banged up and used anyway, but at least it's kind of fixed up and ready for another go. Thanks for watching.